In today's quick tutorial, we will explore the AI that creates more attractive thumbnail than Photoshop. So make sure you have watched video till the end. Let's get started. To create a thumbnail, just go ahead and click the link given in the video description and this will take you to this website. Now go ahead and click on sign in. You could sign in with a Google account here. And here we want to continue with free plan. On the website, please go ahead and search for YouTube thumbnail maker. Let's open the first result. Now in the prompt section, let's go ahead and give the title of our video. Let's go ahead and run this clip. And here you go. You can see how amazing and perfect thumbnail is created from a YouTube video. This tool gives you 10 free credit per day and each generation of a thumbnail could take 2 to 10 credits depending upon the complexity of your thumbnail. Now if you are happy with your generated thumbnail, you could go ahead and click on the download button and this will download your thumbnail on your computer. So I think it's enough to create one YouTube video per day and a one thumbnail per day. If you want your thumbnail even better and want to make it exactly how you want, for that we have to give it perfect prompt. And if you are not sure how to write a perfect prompt, I have added the prompt template in the video description. Just go ahead and copy that prompt. Let's go to ChatGPT. Let's go to new chat on the chat GPT. I will just copy the prompt from here and I'm going to paste it into chat GPT. You could go ahead and copy this prompt from the video description. So in the prompt, I said to chat GPT that generate a prompt for me on the basis of title, hiking to the most isolated village in the mountain, in the details given below. Let's go ahead and send this to chat GPT. ChatGPT has generated a perfect prompt for us. Let's go ahead and copy this prompt and go back to YouTube thumbnail maker. Paste it here and click on run the glyph. Now it started generating a perfect thumbnail for us. Amazing. We got perfect thumbnail. The most isolated village and a man on the mountain according to our given prompt. Now let's go ahead and download this thumbnail to our computer. Now we got this thumbnail with an amazing results. But what if you want to add yourself in this image? You could do that using an AI that will swap the face. So next let's see how you can swap characters using the AI. To do that, click the link in the video description that will take you to this website Face Swapper. So in the Face Swapper, drag and drop your image here and then upload the thumbnail. Now we are ready to click on upload and start. You can now see the face has swapped perfectly. Let's go ahead and download this thumbnail. So this is how you could perfectly create your thumbnail and also swap your face using AI. Let's go ahead and compare it. Now here we got two thumbnails. This is the old one and this is the new one with the swept face. So this is how you could create perfect thumbnails for your YouTube. And secondly, you could also go ahead and swap your face. So that's it about creating a perfect thumbnail for your YouTube using AI and also swap your face with the original one using AI tool. So that's it about quick and to the point video. Thanks for watching. Keep watching and see you in the next one.